Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add title card in your video using Clipchamp. It is a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Next, choose one video that you want to edit. Now tap onto the video, then tap onto next. Now to add the title card in the video, you need to add the text. Tap onto the text button which is right here. Then again tap onto the text. Now finally here you can add the title card in your video. Now type the title that you want to add. Then tap onto the check mark. Here you can also change the font of the text. Choose one font that you like the most. Here you can also change the color of the text. You can also change the color as per your preference. And that's it. This is how you're gonna add the title card in your video using the Clipchamp app. It's very easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.